2, 3, 4 and 5. And slowly wapas. Go back. Yeah, both elbow in front. Again, relax your body. Yes. And slowly down your palm. Down your palm. Look up. Yes. Inhale. Down. Exhale. Inhale. Slowly up. This is the right posture. Look up. Down. Down. Slowly up. Only up your face, up your diaphragm, not up your stomach. Yes, like this. Only half. Yes, very nice. Look up. Hold here. 1, 2. More straight your elbow. Try to more straight. 3, 4, 5, 6. Lower stomach touch with mat. Upper stomach upside. Inhale. 3, 4, 5. Slowly relax. And for few seconds, take a child pose. And at the other side, one hand straight and one hand is fold. Release your breath. And focus your breath. Do not control your breath, only watch your breathing. Inhaling, breath is coming, breath is going out. Only watch your breath and lose your legs, lose your thigh, lose your stomach, pelvic region, and overall body. Slowly up your face. Inhale and more up. So go back and sit down. Relax your body. How you are now feel? Are you comfort or relaxed?
Yes, sir.
Now next 10 to 15 minutes we can do meditate yourself.